Hey, my name is Bruce, and I'm going to help you create a stronger password. So my mom got hacked a couple years back on Facebook, and the first thing I asked her was, well, what's your password? And her name is Florence, and she was born in 1949, and her password was Florence 1949. She thought a strong password was a password that was difficult to remember. And I don't think that's true. I just asked her, what's the longest you've ever been stuck on a plane? And she said 7 hours before we took off to go to Hawaii. And I said, great, let's use that. We have the number 7 in there. We took the H in Hawaii, we made it capitalized, it's a place, right? We took the A of Hawaii, we made it a little @ symbol. Have a little fun with that. Exclamation point at the end because it was the longest day ever for her. It's something that's special and unique and secure because no one else experienced that. So once you have an idea for your password, you just open up your Facebook app and you'll click those 3 lines, scroll down and find Settings. Right below you'll see Security and Login, click that. And scroll down to where it says Login, Change Password, and type it in. Now that you've got some good tips and tricks, go out there and good luck creating your strong password.